There is something about elephants that makes them so adorable. Elephant Country by Praveen Mohandas is a unique image that strays aside from the usual. Tender love drives the emotion in this visual narrative. Family bonding is emphasized by this unique perspective of a herd feeding together. Presenting just the trunks as the main element, there is a lot left for the viewers to imagine. Symmetry in shapes and forms is conveyed wonderfully. The image is well balanced with bright tones and complementing dark areas. All these elements work as one to drive in a sense of togetherness, making you to step in and ask, "Whom should I invite for lunch today?"